Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to use Google Sheets as a CRM or customer relationship management system. If you're running a small business, managing freelance clients, handling sales leads, or simply keeping track of customer information, Google Sheets is a fantastic free solution that lets you organize everything in one place without paying for expensive CRM software. A CRM helps you store customer information, track conversations, monitor sales opportunities, schedule follow ups, and keep your entire sales process organized. While dedicated CRM platforms offer many advanced features, Google Sheets is an excellent starting point, especially if you're managing a small number of customers or leads. Let's begin by creating our CRM spreadsheet. Open Google Sheets and create a new blank spreadsheet. Give your spreadsheet a meaningful name such as Sales CRM, Customer Database, or Lead Tracker. Now we'll create our main data sheet. Double-click the first sheet tab at the bottom and rename it to Data. Inside this sheet, we'll build our customer database. Start by creating column headers across the first row. Some of the most useful columns include first name, last name, company name, email, address, phone number, country, industry, lead source, deal value, lead status, deal stage, last contacted date. Next, follow up date, assigned salesperson, notes, and created date. These columns allow you to keep detailed information about every customer or prospect. Once your headers are ready, begin entering your customer information underneath each column. Every row represents one customer or one sales lead. For example, you can enter the customer's name, their company, email address, phone number, estimated deal value, current status, and the next date you need to follow up with them. As your customer list grows, you'll appreciate having everything organized in one place. To make your spreadsheet easier to read, highlight the header row and choose a background color. You can also bold the text and freeze the first row by selecting View, then Freeze, and choose one row. This keeps your column titles visible while scrolling through large amounts of data. Now let's create a second worksheet for our dashboard. Click the plus icon at the bottom to create a new sheet. Rename it as Dashboard. This sheet will display visual summaries of your CRM instead of showing all the raw data. We'll begin with a scorecard that displays the total value of all your active deals. Click Insert, then Chart. Google Sheets automatically inserts a chart, but we want to change it. Open the chart editor on the right side. Under Chart Type, scroll down and choose Scorecard. Now click Select Data Range. Go back to your data sheet and highlight the deal value column. Click OK. Instantly, Google Sheets calculates the total value of all your deals and displays it inside a clean scorecard. Resize and position this scorecard at the top of your dashboard. You can add a title underneath such as Total Deal Value to make it more readable. Next, let's create a chart that shows how many leads exist in each status. Click Insert, then Chart again. Choose Column Chart. Delete the automatically selected data range and select your lead status column from the data sheet. Google Sheets begins generating your chart. If necessary, adjust the x-axis and y-axis inside the chart editor. Enable Use Row as headers and Use Column as labels if available. Now your dashboard displays the number of leads that are new, contacted, qualified, won, lost, and so on. This gives you an instant overview of your sales pipeline without scrolling through hundreds of rows. From here, you can resize your chart and arrange it neatly beside your scorecard. The next chart we'll create is for deal stages. While lead status tells you whether a customer is new, contacted, or closed, deal stage shows exactly where each opportunity is within your sales process. Tracking both helps you better understand how your sales pipeline is performing. Click Insert, then select Chart. In the chart editor, choose Bar Chart or Column Chart, depending on which layout you prefer. Click Select Data Range, then return to your datasheet and highlight the deal stage column. Google Sheets will generate a chart showing how many opportunities exist in each stage, such as discovery, meeting scheduled, proposal sent, negotiation, contract review, closed won, or closed lost. Place this chart beside your lead status chart on the dashboard so you can compare both metrics at a glance. Another useful section to include is your upcoming follow ups. The follow up date column is one of the most important fields in any CRM because it reminds you when to contact each customer again. Missing follow ups often means losing potential sales. If your version of Google Sheets includes built in AI features, you can also use Analyze this data. Click the AI icon and ask questions such as show total deal value, create a chart for lead status, summarize sales by country, display customers with the highest deal value. Google Sheets can automatically generate charts, summaries, and insights based on your data, saving you time when creating reports. Back on your dashboard sheet, you can continue adding more scorecards. For example, create scorecards for total number of leads, active opportunities, won deals, lost deals, average deal value, total revenue. Arrange these scorecards across the top of your dashboard so they provide an instant overview of your business performance. Below the scorecards, organize your charts neatly. You might include lead status distribution, deal stage distribution, monthly revenue, leads by country, leads by source, top sales representatives. This creates a clean CRM dashboard where you can monitor your entire sales pipeline in just a few seconds. As your customer database grows, consider creating additional sheets for contacts, tasks, activities, meeting notes, product lists, or sales reports. Keeping information organized across multiple sheets makes your CRM easier to maintain while keeping your dashboard clean. Although Google Sheets is an excellent CRM solution for beginners, it does have limitations. Once your business begins handling hundreds or thousands of customers, multiple sales representatives, advanced automations, email integrations, and customer workflows, you may eventually outgrow Google Sheets. However, for freelancers, startups, consultants, agencies, and small businesses, Google Sheets remains one of the most flexible and cost effective CRM solutions available. It's free, cloud based, easy to customize, automatically saves your work, supports collaboration, and integrates with many Google Workspace tools. That brings us to the end of this Google Sheets CRM tutorial. Today, we created a customer database, organized lead information, added drop down menus, built a dashboard, created scorecards, inserted charts, used conditional formatting, added filters, explored AI analysis, and discussed how to scale your CRM as your business grows. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to turn a simple spreadsheet into a functional CRM system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.